guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to show you how to properly clean your windshield, windscreen and all your windows. I do this method on all my windows. It is a different method, I don't know whether other people do use it, but follow my link in the description for how to clean your car, deep clean it, because I did that before I've done this. So you wanted to clean all your dirt off, and then you want to go over it with some isopropyl alcohol to clear any excess dirt. And then now what I'm actually going to do is quick detailer, clay bar, and I'm going to go over the whole window screen. This is a very fast process, but what will happen in this is when it rains you'll see the beads going up your window, and also it will also stop frost from frosting on your window as bad. So let's get on with it. Right, so I want to show you guys a little close-up of this window. Underneath my sun visor, let's see if I can pull it for you. It is just here. You can see a nice little dirty mark. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over that with the clay bar. You can see it disappearing right there. Change side, go over it again. As you can see, it's all gone, and that's what came off it, a lot of dirt. So it's very important to not be lazy and getting all them little marks. Right, so now get yourself a clean microfiber towel, go over it with the cloth, wipe it all down, make it all dry. Touch your screen. If it feels smooth, go ahead on to the next step. If it doesn't, clay bar it again. Okay, so now you've microfiber clothed it, leave that a couple of minutes and let it dry. Grab yourself a wax pad and also your favourite wax. I use Dodo Juice Blue Velvet. You want to apply this to your window screen, circular motions, make sure you cover every single little bit. Leave it for 30 minutes to dry. Once it's dried, then buff it out with the microfiber cloth. Again, I'll show you that when I get to it. Okay, so the wax has had half an hour now. If you've seen my other videos on how I apply the wax, clean microfiber cloth, keep it on one side, don't turn it over until you've got all the excess residue off. Once you have, then turn it over and use the other side to buff it out and get a good shine. Okay, so while you're doing that, make sure you're getting every single little nook and cranny. Don't miss anything, go around all the edge, make sure it's all nice and clean. Don't be lazy, do it properly. You know, do it properly the first time, you won't have to do it again, but look at that. Absolutely crystal clear. Now, while your front wax is drying on your front window screen, there's no reason why you can't clay bar your other windows while you're waiting, go back and remove the wax, and then apply wax to these and then clay bar the others just so you're going along. You can even do your wing mirrors. So yes, highly recommended. Stickers, there's a sample of the red one which I'm going to put on the screen now, and also obviously this is the blue one. More colours are coming, orange, green, a couple of pink, because there is some girls that like to watch my videos, but also, you know, you guys, I know you like a good bit of pink as well. So there is some of them coming, some more red. They are selling out extremely fast, and again, thank you guys so much for ordering these stickers. Links going to be in the description for those. But yeah, absolutely fantastic response from you guys, and there'll be more on the car meet soon. So subscribe for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.